Despite the recent launch of the Galaxy Z Flip 5 and the Galaxy Z Fold 5, news regarding Samsung's upcoming flagship, the Galaxy S24, is already gaining momentum. Just a few days ago, details about its display and camera were unveiled, and a new rumor is now providing a more comprehensive insight into the Galaxy S24 Ultra's specifications. According to information from tipster Yogesh Brar, the Galaxy S24 Ultra will boast a quad-camera arrangement on its rear side. This setup will include a 200-megapixel primary camera, a 12-megapixel ultrawide camera, a 50-megapixel telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom, and a 10-megapixel camera with a periscope lens providing 10x optical zoom. The 200-megapixel primary camera is likely to be the same Iso-cell HP2 sensor found in the Galaxy S23 Ultra, and the ultrawide camera might also employ a similar sensor to its predecessor. The significant enhancement comes in the form of the 50-megapixel telephoto camera, a substantial upgrade from the Galaxy S23 Ultra's 10-megapixel telephoto camera. As per the recent report, this camera might feature a 1x2.52-inch sensor, which, due to its larger size and higher resolution, should result in notably improved image quality, while the 10-megapixel telephoto camera with 10x optical zoom may receive some minor improvements. The front-facing camera is expected to remain the same, utilizing the 12-megapixel selfie camera from the Galaxy S23. Internally, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is rumored to sport the Exynos 2400 chip in certain regions, primarily Asia and Europe, and the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor in others, North America and South Korea. The tipster suggests that the forthcoming flagship will house a 5,000 mAh battery and support 45-watt fast charging, similar to its predecessor. Alongside these features, improvements are anticipated in terms of a brighter screen and expanded memory options. That's it for today. What are your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.